Yo, hey guys, today we're gonna make a new tutorial, simple and easy. So today we're gonna talk about the weight paint. So if you go here from the object mode and switch to weight paint, something gonna appear like colors or brush, and you have to paint over them. So what does that mean? I have different colors here, like red, yellow, green, cyan, and blue. And blue is the lowest value, and red is the highest value. So we can say red is 1 and blue is 0, and all this color is something between them, or the mixing between them, like gradient or opacity if you're in Photoshop. So first thing, we're gonna try to make something with that weight band and know how to use it, how to make it useful for us. So first thing, go with plane, is for scale it, make it big, and apply, and then go here to data, or object data, and vertices group, and mix it group. And before, I'm gonna go with subdivide multiple time, something like this, and hit assign, like this. So that means I'm gonna use these faces to paint over them, and I already select them. So let's go with particle system here and try to make anything. So I just import this flower here to use it as a flow here in particle system. So first we're gonna go add particle system here, hit here, advance it, and down to render, and you have render as path, object, and collection. And today we're gonna use object. So because I have one object, so it's flower, and if I have multiple object or more than one object, so you're gonna use collection and move them all into collection. So for now, we're gonna go here and down a little, and use vertices group, and use density, as a group here. So you're gonna see we have a lot of flowers and a lot of number, but we can't control them too much. We just have a little option here like number and seeds, high segment, but I can't make like root or only area with flowers and area. So I'm gonna switch here to the weight band, and let's try to make something. I'm gonna make it blue, so the weight is 0, and that means blue is 0. I'm gonna remove everything here, something like this, go increase it, and start paint my way or the selected area I want, like this. If I paint it like this, and if I hide this particle system, you're gonna see I paint the red mean the highest value here, and it's gonna be affected with a lot of plants and flower. So I'm gonna paint it like this, and also remove anything on plan like cyan or anything in blue. Let's back it. So now I have this particle system, and my way, like the road here, I can make another one, and it's gonna affect by color. And you can mix them or make it blurry too much, like this way. So if I set my camera here, something like this way, and switch to object mode, and let's go switch to render and see what we done. So this is how we do it, and that was tutorial. So I want to thank you for watching, and absolutely thank you for 1k subscribes, and that was awesome, and that make me make a lot of tutorial. So thanks, and hope you have a good day. So see you later.